Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're playing Roblox Don't Press the Button. I just decided to play this because I didn't really have any good ideas of what games to play. So I just was scrolling on the Roblox homepage. And then it showed that this game was a popular game. So I decided, why not check it out? So here I am, I'm just playing. And I think we're supposed to score a goal with the soccer ball. It's not moving. It's not moving. It's not moving. Oh my gosh, you guys. Come on. Woo. No one scored. What's going to happen? Is that a diamond? Let's get the diamond. Let's see what happens. Anything happen? Oh, okay. Wait, you know there's like a Can I buy something? Banana? Oh, okay, quick, go to one of the coins. You guys, oh my gosh. Leave a like if you... One like is one repent for me. Quick, go to one of the corners, closing in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That person's a show off. They don't have to show everybody that they're the best kid. Look at... Wow. I hope that person loses. Because I just want this to be over with. Good job on surviving. Yeah, whatever. I'm going to press the button. Pressed it. Tsunami incoming. You serious? Maybe I shouldn't be so quick to press. I won't. Tsunami incoming. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm just gonna die. I died. Horrible, sad story. I had to die, didn't have to. Who cares? Let's press the button again, you guys. Boom. What's gonna happen? The lava. Oh wait, I feel like I should keep picking it because every time I pick, it doesn't work out. Haha. So, what did anybody survive? Let's see. I think anybody survived. What a wow. Wowza, people. I don't think anybody. Let's go to a shop. It's the shop. Bookshop. Particle shop. 100. I have 30 diamonds. I have two diamonds and 30 coins. Item shop. I'm gonna leave here in case anybody comes back. No, exit. Okay, there you go. Why am I so fast? Oh, it's supposed to run. Let's go, people. Let's see if this map is never ending. Let's go! Whoa. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. This map is never... See, it does end. Oh my gosh, no! I'm so dumb. Why did I do that? I want to press. I pressed. What's going on? Get on the blue pile. Quick! Oh my god. That was kind of creepy. I'm cold. Now I'm shivering. Oh, this person pressed it. Went away from the tomato. Wait, what? Okay, you guys saw that, right? I was just... Oh my gosh. Oh. Really? You mean tornado? I wasn't anywhere near that. Comment down below if you think this game is unfair. Okay. Oh, stop pressing it, people. I want to press it. Wait, is this like an obby? Oh my gosh, I suck at obbies. Whoa. See? I tell you, I suck at obbies. Okay, I hate this game. It takes forever to respawn. Like, oh my gosh. Stop taking so long. What do you think like there's a prize at the end? I shouldn't even try at this point. Do you guys think there's like a prize at the end? Like, this girl's a buff. Oh my god. Spidey King. What's her name? Sorry. Okay. Stop moving, girly. Spider Gwen 10. You're a Buffy girl. Everybody's racing to get all the credits. Quick, dodge and cover. Wait, what? I died. Those people are just like, I'm cheating. I'm gonna win this game. I'm gonna press. Go, people. Press it. Survive the lava. Oh my gosh, if you guys don't know, I excel at this game. I lost my winning streak. Yo, I lost my winning streak. I'm so good at that game. How did that happen? Now, let me play. Can I break through this? You guys, jump, jump, jump. 1 leg equals 1 effort. Let's go. Come on. I feel like I'm just spinning. Oh my gosh. I'm getting dizzy. Oh, this person has a cool thing. Oh my gosh, let's go. It looks so cool. Oh my gosh. I'm going to pretend I'm down there. I'm going to jump. Let's do this. Okay, oh my gosh. Ooh. Let's get all the credits. I'm going to press it too. Let's get all the credits. I'm going to get this. Ha, people in your faces. Oh, I think whoever pressed it just... Wait. I'm confused. What just happened? I press it. I press it. What's gonna happen? The cake is a lie. The cake is a lie. Let's put that as a taco. Can I have your taco? Person, can I have your taco, please? Lee 28012. Give me taco. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's bombs. What the my god. Here's a tricksy turtle edge. Because if you guys look closely, you can see the bombs. Where they come from? This is beautiful. Somebody said, I'm eyeing you. It's beautiful. Whoa, we're in outer space. I can fly. Dreamed I could fly. No, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I pressed it again. Okay, what's going next? Wait, oh my god, was there a noob? A noob's falling out of the sky now? Wait, what? Guys, 3, 2, 1, what? Again? Oh my gosh, spoon. I'm gonna kill you, I am dizzy. I'm winning, whatever this is. Oh, that person killed me. Yeah, I still think I did good. Wait. It's just those two. And Bacon Man won. Guys, don't judge a Bacon Man. Don't judge him. Don't judge a Bacon Man. Why is he bacon? You can still get free stuff. Like, look, everything I'm wearing is free. Okay? Because I just like, you know, because sometimes I go undercover and I just wear these, you know, just to trick people. Yeah, don't, just ignore that. Dude. Huh? I'm a big kid. You can't really see it because of my TV, but I'm a big kid. See, South Print's a big kid. We're all biggies. We're biggies. It's time for a trivia question. How many A's are there in avocado? There are 2 O's. Somebody got it wrong. There's two. I got 10 coins. Oh, you guys, wait, there's a house. Excuse me. Guys, I try to get in. This is why you don't get, force stuff into people's houses. Let's press the button. Okay, what's next? Get on the pack from quick. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm the only person. Whoa. Pressing the button again. I'm literally... Tsunami incoming. People. I suck at this. No! I didn't jump. You guys, I'm gonna fail. Wow. Sad. That's sad, people. Well, since I died, I think we'll call it a day. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And I also want to give a shout out to It's a Via Plays. Please subscribe to her channel. And oh my gosh, bye guys. I'll press the button one last time. Bye. I didn't move, so I won.